Hello friends, Anand. Welcome to my channel Anything Can Do. In this video, I am going to discuss a question from 8CS 2009 for 2 marks. This question is based on minimum spanning. Consider the following graph. Which one of the following is not the sequence of edges added to the minimum spanning tree using Kruskal's algorithm? So before going to solve this question, we should know what is Kruskal algorithm. It is very simple and straightforward question. Before that, we will see what Kruskal does. Okay. So it is a greedy algorithm in graph theory, as in each step it adds the next lowest weight edge that will not form a cycle to the minimum spanning forest. Okay, so in Kruskal algorithm, what we will going to do, we will have these vertex as it is. Okay, so total how many vertex we have? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let me have this 7 vertex. Okay, let me draw this 7 vertex. So this is vertex A. Then we have here vertex B. Then E. Then this one is D. Then we have here C, F, and finally here we have G. It is a greedy algorithm in graph theory, as in each step it adds the next lowest weight edge that will not form a cycle to the minimum spanning forest. So from this graph we will find out the minimum edge. So which is the minimum edge? Minimum edge is from B to E. Okay, so from vertex B to E we have the edge which has the weight is 2. So let me connect that first. This is the weight which is 2, and in the option also you can see which one of the following is not. So what we will try to do, uh, we will try to prove a sequence is in Kruskal. Okay, so BE age is 2, so here we have BE. Okay, so this one is correct, this one is correct, this one is also correct, and this one is also correct. Next minimum weight is what? 3. So to have that age in the answer, we have two edges. Either from A to C also we can connect, or A to E also we can connect. So first we can connect A to C, that is also correct, or we can connect first A to E, that is also correct. So both the edges are correct. So let me connect E to F, and that weight is 3. So E to F, yes, this is also in Kruskal's, this is also in Kruskal's. Right now this is also in Kruskal's. And A to C, A to C is also the correct age we can have in the sequence. Okay, so we have covered these two. Second age, we have covered this, the age which have weight 3. We have covered this also, E to F, this 3. Okay, so A to C, okay, this one is also correct. E to F, this one is also correct. A to C, this one is also correct. But here you can see B to C. B to C is what? 4. So before covering the age which has weight 3, before that it is going to the next higher age which is B to C, which is 4. So this is not the sequence in Kruskal. Okay, so correct answer for this question is what? The option D. Okay, why option D? Here B to C, the age is what? The age weight is what? 4, and A to C is what? The age weight is 3. So this is not in the sequence. That's why correct answer for this question is option D. Okay, suppose we are not knowing the concept of Kruskal. So how we can solve? So what I will do, I'll simply write down the weight of each of the edge. So B to E edge is weight is how much? 2. So let us write down that edge weight to every option. Then E to F is what? 3. E to F is what? 3. A to C, A to C, the distance or that edge is weight is 3, and B to C is how much? 4. A to C is 3. B to C is what? 4. B to C is 4. F to G, F to G is again 4. 4. 4. C to D, C to D is 5. 5. F to G is 4, C to D is 5, and B to C is 4. So if you see, this is in ascending order. So we can say this is the sequence of edges added to the minimum spanning tree using Kruskal algorithm. So this is the it following the Kruskal algorithm. Then B to E, A to C, E to F, B to C, F to G, C to D. It also follows the Kruskal algorithm. This one is also following the Kruskal algorithm. So correct answer for this option, this question is what? Option D. Okay. So this is not the sequence of edges added to the minimum spanning. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.